The big new version everyone posting about, it's fake. Every screenshot, every release date, every leak made up. So let me show you the truth and the version you can actually buy right now, because most of the folks picked the wrong one. And let me quickly show you that. This is Microsoft own lifecycle page, and if let's say, here I'm gonna search Office 2026, it says no match found. All right, so there is no such Office 2026 exist. However, you can see the another version that came up. For example, Office 2024, Office LTSE 2024, Microsoft Office 2016, and so on. There is no roadmap, no preview. It simply doesn't exist. So why is it everywhere? Well, there could be multiple reasons, Maybe sometimes people do this for saying that, oh, this Office version is the latest one. Or sometimes, people also do for clickbait. And if you really want to know, when the Office will release new version, here is the real pattern. Microsoft ships a buy once Office about every 3 years. You can see that, Microsoft has Office 2007, then we have got 2010, then 2013, 2016, 2019, and 2021. That was the only 2-year jump from 2019 to 2021. But again, Microsoft did not announce new version of Office in 2023. Rather, they announced it in 2024. So they are kind of following 3-year pattern. So the next most version of one-time purchase likely land around 2027, not in 2026. And if you are waiting for Office 2026, you are waiting for something that isn't coming. Alright, now let's come to the question, what do you buy today? Well, there are two parts. One is buy it once, like Office 2024 version. And it comes in two flavors, Office Home 2024 gives you Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. But when we buy Home and Business Edition, additional to all these apps, it also includes Outlook. But that is the only difference. It is licensed for one device. You're not going to get any connected features like AI. But for sure, you're gonna get security update throughout 2029, even if you never pay again. And sometimes a lot of companies want things to remain completely offline, which is another very compelling reason to go for Office Perpetual, or we sometimes call it by year, which is Office 2021 or Office 2024. Alright, now let's talk about path number 2, have latest version of Office today, which is promoted by Microsoft a lot, known as Office 365. This particular version is always up to date. This means that you're gonna get latest features available inside Microsoft Office. Now, this particular version also comes with a lot of other features. For example, a terabyte of cloud storage, let's say if you are going for individual version. And you can see here the number of apps are also more than what we were getting with Office Perpetual. And the biggest one, I think, is 1 terabyte of cloud storage. So that itself is really awesome, because if you want to buy 1 terabyte of cloud storage outside, then probably it's going to cost you around same amount. So the real question is, if we talk about the biggest con is you do not own software like you used to in case of Office Perpetual, which is Office 2021 or Office 2024. Here you're gonna get software rented for a year, and then after, if you do not renew it, you're gonna lose all the features and capability. Now, before you make your decision, let me talk about a trap that you will see in lifetime Office keys for a couple of dollars on random sites. They are usually gray market key, which is possible that Microsoft can switch off them anytime. They are usually gray keys that get switched off with zero support when they die. Buy the real thing from Microsoft or from an authorized seller and skip 2021 even though it is cheaper. Its support run out in October 2026, so you would be buying something that is nearly finished. So simply, if you want Office that work forever, no subscription, go for Office 2024. If you want latest features and capability and don't mind paying every year a recurring fee, then Office 365 is just the one that you need to go with. And of course, it comes with a lot of goodies and features that we already gone through. And if you want the Office that work forever without paying for any subscription or even this one-time purchase, then simply go to new tab and open office.com. create Microsoft account, and you're gonna see you will be getting a Word, Excel, and a PowerPoint free forever. Simply go here on the top menu and then select the app that you want to work on, and that's it. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. If you have got any question regarding any particular Office version, please do let me know in comment down below. I will definitely try to answer that as soon as possible. And I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.